Alright, Steve, I tried doing this with a cheaper camera. It wasn't HD, so it wouldn't take so long to download. So I'll make it quick. We're not done with it yet. I still got to finish the sides off real quick with some brick and some dirt. We're not going to do any more to work. We're just going to place them around there to hold it up. And got to get inside and straighten out the bottom. So all the cinder blocks you see around there are not going to be there. But other than that, it's 18 feet long. Gradually goes down to 4.5 feet. Goes across about 5 feet at the 4.5 foot depth, and then it gradually goes up again. So they can walk down one side, swim around 5 feet, and walk back up the other. And Tucker can walk down and swim about 8 feet, and walk back up the other. And it's about 5.5 feet wide. And it's only here for the summer, hopefully. Well, maybe not though. If it works, I may dig a bigger hole and go get a pool liner. Who knows? But anyway, there it is, kid.